You're not going to want to miss this episode of the AI Show. We talk all about what's new in Azure AI Foundry, June 2025 edition. My friend John Maeda, make sure you tune in. Hello and welcome to this episode of the AI Show. We're talking all about what's new in Azure AI Foundry, June 2025 edition. By the way, this is the AI Show, your monthly pit stop for everything new in the world of Azure AI Foundry. I'm Seth Juarez, your host, bringing you the latest model drop, tooling updates, and spicy new features that will make you want to cancel your weekend plans and code. And I am a weekend coder, John. Are you a weekend coder?
I am always coding with AI, of course.
Oh, there you go. By the way, we're calling this month all gas, no brakes, because, well, that's what it feels like trying to keep up from new multimodal powerhouses to safety leaderboards and agent protocol updates. The June drop is actually big. To help me break it all down, I brought someone who has actually read every blog post. The always insightful, never hallucinating John Maeda. How you doing, John?
Seth, thanks for having me here. I have definitely been reading the blogs twice, 3 times with my summarizing AI. So hashtag responsible reading.
There you go. All right, well, let's start with the model catalog because, John, it's thick. There's so many models there. We're talking new drops from OpenAI, XAI, Meta, DeepSeek, Black Forest Labs. Basically, if you blinked in June, you missed like 12 models. Let's start with Codex-Mini. What's the pitch for developers?
Well, Codex-Mini is your new best friend in the terminal. It's
Oh,
a fine-tuned version of O4 Mini, optimized for CLI workflows. Think automating shell commands, editing scripts, refactoring code. It's fast, it's precise, and it doesn't complain when you forget a semicolon.
Oh, it complains to me all the time about semicolons. I love that. Next up, O3 Pro. Tell us about this one.
O3 Pro is for when you need enterprise-grade reasoning and multimodal support. It accepts both text and images, generates structured outputs. We love the structured outputs.
Yeah, it's true.
And plays nicely with tools like file search. You could think of it as the I need a model that actually thinks with me, for me model.
Oh, that's cool. Also, fun fact, it probably uses more compute, which means more depth. But don't worry, we've got a new provision throughput update in AOAI that helps you manage performance and cost at scale. Is that right, John?
Flexible pricing, built-in cost controls, and resource isolation options make it a lot easier to build responsibly.
All right, lightning round. DeepSeek R1-0521 plus MAI DSR1. Better COT strategies, safety tuning, faster inference. Meta Llama 4 plus Llama 3.3. Multimodal magic for summarization, assistance, and creative apps. XAI Grok 3, 3 Mini, and Grok 4. Excellent for reasoning, context awareness, even legal and healthcare workflows. And Flux 1.1 Pro by Black Forest Labs. Text-to-image generation that's 6 to 8 times faster than the current state-of-the-art with no GPU ops required. I had to take a deep breath after that. Insane.
Honestly, it's like we built a Costco for models. Bulk reasoning, no membership fee.
Oh my goodness, look at us go. Okay, let's talk agents because there were a couple announcements this month that really level up how developers can build complex workflows. What do you got?
Well, the big one is deep research and agent service. It gives developers the ability to compose multi-step, multi-source workflows using tools and agents in Azure AI Foundry. Think web scale analysis with transparent outputs. If you're tired of hallucinations and shallow summaries, this is your upgrade.
Awesome. So also the next big one, MCP, tell us about that.
I love MCP. Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a universal plug for tools and services. With MCP support in Foundry, developers can register any tool, internal or external, and have it work across agents. It's a game changer for modular agent design. In other words, agents can now interact with Azure AI Foundry itself.
So you're saying I can connect my Azure AI Foundry agent to do Azure AI Foundry things like Inception?
I'm saying you probably already did.
Oh, you got me there. All right, so we've got all these models, all these agents, but how do we know they're safe?
Well, that's where the new safety leaderboards come in. We've added a dedicated model safety ranking alongside performance, cost, and throughput. So devs can now choose not just the fastest model, but the safest one for their use cases.
This feels like a long overdue update.
Totally. There's also the new Microsoft Responsible AI Transparency Report. which is basically our blueprint for building AI that earns and keeps trust. Includes things like risk tools for multimodal and agentic systems, centralized deployment reviews, and more.
That's awesome. All right, let's zoom out a little bit. AI is moving fast, but not everyone is moving fast well. Microsoft was just named a leader in the 2025 Gartner Magic Quadrant for DSML platforms. And we've also released new guidance to help organizations operationalize AI efficiently.
Love that MQ, right? Well, the new AI Center of Excellence guidance is part of Azure Essentials, and it's for leaders trying to align people, process, and tech. It's been downloaded thousands of times already, and we're seeing partners like EY and PwC use it to drive real transformation.
Oh, I love the people, process, and tech. You should have said people, process, and product, the 3 Ps. All right, John, we've covered new models, new agent capabilities, safety upgrades, and org-wide AI transformation frameworks. If I wasn't hosting this show, I'd go rewatch it.
Same with me. It's a big month, but it's all about helping devs and decision makers build smarter, faster, and more responsibly.
And to add a new fine point to this, John also has a really cool show. Tell us about the Cozy AI Kitchen. Tell us about that.
The Cozy AI Kitchen, I appear as the AI chef. We cook recipes in code to make AI more useful for you, the developer.
Yeah, and you should totally tune into that show. I got to do one of those at a build, and just the way that you put together the analogies really helps people understand stuff.
Thanks a bunch. I'm just
all right.
So from you.
Huge thanks to you, John, and everyone watching. If something has sparked your interest, head over to ai.azure.com, subscribe to the YouTube playlist, and start building and check out the Azure AI Foundry blog for all of the latest details. Again, thank you so much for watching. We're learning all about what's new in Azure AI Foundry, June 2025 edition with my friend John. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Take care.
Thank you.